Let's start with the first match and see the scorecard. Let me see if we can see the scorecard. Perfect. So that's the
Yes.
scorecard of KKR versus MI. KKR won by 5 wickets. Um, they put Mumbai to bat and they scored 161 runs, losing 4 wickets, just 4 wickets. And big credits to Suryakumar Yadav, his first match, and Kolkata scored 162 with a 5 wicket loss. And we'll let you know what exactly happened to, because scorecard does not justify what exactly happened in last few overs.
Yeah.
So let's start with the Mumbai batting. So with the Mumbai batting, we have to talk about Suryakumar Yadav. The way he batted with Tilak Verma, I think that was the highlight of Mumbai's first inning.
Yes. So a lot of things happen in this batting. Unfortunately, I don't know what's wrong, but Mumbai keeps losing tosses and they are put into bat because everybody expects and everybody knows that their bowling is weaker as compared to their batting. So it's better chance for the teams to win against them batting second. Secondly, Rohit Sharma really struggled during this innings. Rohit Sharma is a fine batsman. When he's in form, when he's on song, you love seeing him. But I think he's doing little too much. He's trying little too much. He's hitting, always trying to hit all the balls because you know that conversation around his strike rate. Everybody's talking about Virat's strike rate, Rohit's strike rate, even KL Rahul in that bracket. So everybody are talking about their strike rate. So I think Rohit Sharma in the attempt to change the template for Team India, and he's kind of want to play in that manner so he can play freely in the World Cup going forward. So he just want to do that here, but right now it's not working out. Ishan Kishan did not look in any rhythm. I think I liked what Dewald Bravis did in those 1920 balls. Really looked good. Real
Very
good
positive.
promise going forward. Yes, I'm very hopeful of him going moving forward. Not in even in this IPL. 2 3 years down the line, I hope he can take that position of like what Surya Kumar Yadav is doing, right? Like
True.
that solid middle order batsman. And by the time I think in a couple of years he will be also playing more for South Africa. I think
Yeah.
he can definitely make that debut and then gain more experience. And yes, people will find him out by that time. But you know, these professional players, they always see good players always find their way out. You know, Virat Kohli did. I think Dewald Bravis is that kind of breed that very hopeful of him. Suryakumar Yadav just came back and replaced Anmolpreet Singh in this playing 11, and right away you can see the difference, right? Surya playing 52 of 36, great innings. He just
Yeah.
he just he was just there damn for. I think if he were out, I think that was a collapse happening. Even Tilak Verma played very good in 38 of 27, and last over for Pollard just went for runs. I
Right.
think that bowling is something that Kolkata might be wondering because even after picking up early wickets, putting Mumbai into pressure, Mumbai went up and got 161. I thought they got little more than because of that last over against Pollard went for 3 sixes. I was not expecting 160. I was like mostly 148, 150. That might be a good score at that point in time where Mumbai was.
Right.
But when I was very happy seeing 161 on the board. But then and even in bowling, they picked up early wickets. Everything was fine. Russell was out. Everything they wanted was out, was fine. If you can open that KKR uh, scorecard here.
But yeah. So let me check that.
So KKR. Ajinkya Rane was out early. I think Venkatesh Iyer found his form in, but not very
He needed this
satisfied.
kind of inning. He needed this kind of
Yes,
inning.
he did need, but that strike rate is still is in early 120s.
Yeah.
I am not very convinced, has say, because of what's happening on the other hand. I understand because of wickets falling on the other
Also,
hand,
it's
need to
very unlikely
hold
of
on to
him
one.
to play this kind
Yes,
of role.
yes. Shreyas Iyer, Sam Billings, everybody got their starts, but not hang in there. Even Nitish Rana. But
One thing
I
is
was
here
very
there wasn't got out against spinner. this time,
Yeah, he didn't get a chance. Maybe, yeah. Uh, by the time Murugan Ashwin was bowling, he was already gone. So I was very happy and jumping out of my bed when I saw Andrew Russell, Andrew Russell out, and
yeah,
I
they were
thought
chasing.
there
Yeah,
was the match. There was a match there for Mumbai. But then that storm of Pat Cummins. I was not expecting. Nobody was expecting
nobody
this from Pat
expected this.
Cummins.
There was his
Yes,
first
but
match,
this guy
and he
can.
did not
This guy
ball
can bat.
well.
You know, this is somebody some kind of role that Mumbai were looking for, and they got Daniel Sams for this role, and absolutely this role to hit sixes and pick early wickets, but it's absolutely not working for Daniel Sams at this point in time, and I was not surprised of not seeing him in playing 11 in the next game. I was surprised though seeing Tymal Mills moving out. But yes, so very bad time. See, Mumbai, all three games so far, Mumbai had that game until last innings, last couple of 5-6 overs, and then they let go of the game. Even in Delhi, they picked up all early wickets, and then the match went off. Even against Rajasthan, they had match until Ishan Kishan and Tilak Verma were batting, and then the match went off. So there are a lot of talks happening in that dressing room. I've seen videos of Mumbai Indians YouTube channel, a lot of thinking going on, but I'm absolutely devastated at this point in time. Being Mumbai Indians fan, I don't want to see this team lingering down in the bottom of the table. This team could do better than what they are doing right now. Just and I was also surprised of a lot of changes that was made after this game. We'll talk about this later. So right now, KKR just this is one of this kind of game that KKR were destined to lose, but then Pat Cummins came and changed their fortune. So I think
Yeah,
one of that
and
game, yeah.
this
But
game was.
if
Mhm, go ahead.
if KKR were to look this critically, their batting was not up to the mark. Okay, if
Not even
Pat
that bowling. Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
That bowling is
See,
always important.
bowling. See, death bowling. Everybody know it's their issue. Even they know that death bowling is their issue, right? They don't have any gun death bowler, but batting, uh, even they have big names of Shreyas Iyer, Venkatesh Iyer, even Ajinkya Rahane can play little cameo up down there, right? So they happening these, and if Pat Cummins were not to come, and whatever happened didn't happen, then a lot of questions on their batting. But at this point in time, they will be very happy, saying they just got a match that they were to lose. So yeah, that's the match overall.
Um, I I personally believe like Mumbai played amazingly well.
Yes, I do.
Kolkata actually threw their wicket away. A lot of wickets.
Yes.
They shouldn't have done that. And apart from that, if you look at the Mumbai scorecard, Rohit Sharma, Ishan Kishan, their middle order looks so strong.
Batting has
They,
not been Mumbai's problem in this
Yep.
tournament so far, until except those two collapses that happened against Rajasthan Royals, that a lot of wickets falling in against spinners like Chahal. But I think
Right.
batting is still the strength of Mumbai Indians. Whatever they need to put it is in their bowling.
Right. And if you look at the middle orders, Brivis, Suryakumar Yadav, and Tilak Verma, those three batsmen out of those two are Indian, and one is Tilak
Uncapped,
Verma, who's
yeah,
very uncapped.
and lot
Yeah,
of
both of them
and
actually uncapped
see,
here, right?
uncapped players, and yeah, so a lot of promise there. I said a lot of promise and a lot of hope going forward, but at this point in time, they are struggling with their bowling.
True. And whatever I saw of Brivis and Tilak Verma, I was so impressed. And especially, let's not forget the Suryakumar Yadav's inning. Like that was one of the highlight of this match. And because they
Yes.
lost, we haven't talked about this inning. But look at this: 36 balls, 52 runs of 5 fours and 2 6s. Where the
And
Mumbai were
at,
struggling.
at that point in time where he came in, they already lost.
Exactly.
I
So
think
let's look at
Devol
the
Travis,
fall of
Travis,
wickets.
and Rohit Shah. Yeah.
So let's look at the fall of wickets. So 55 for 3. And it was 10.6 overs. Don't forget the overs. Only 10 overs were left. And
Yes.
they were only 55
So
for 3.
he also accelerated at the same time and just keep that end secure, right? So lot of positives in that sense in the batting order, but I'm very disappointed of seeing that bowling effort from Daniel Sams and the co. See, my see that happened. That happens. It has been happening for a long time now, because it has happened in all three of the 4 games, that one of the bowlers will go for 20-25 over run in an over. The first match, even Daniel Sams went for 24 runs. The second match against Rajasthan Royals, Basil Thampi went for 26 runs, and this match again 35 runs for Daniel Sams. That is a lot of runs for anybody to go in 1 over. That just releases the pressure and change the momentum completely. And no matter how much are you in the game, so that is something they need to think about, because that polling card does not look good at this point in time.
Definitely, you in IPL tournament you cannot have 3 overs 50
Yes.
runs when you're one slot filling up for the foreigner, right?
See,
Um,
Daniel Sams came with a lot of promise even for Delhi Capitals. He was actually recruited by Delhi Capitals. Then he got injured, and who replaced him?
and Delhi Capitals.
Henrik Nokia.
Oh, for Delhi.
Then
Alright.
Henrik Nokia came as Daniel Sams' replacement, and things just completely changed. Even when they picked him up in the auction, I was not very convinced of Daniel Sams. I know he's a fine cricketer in Australia. Those grounds are different. Those players are different, but has not worked yet in India.
Right. And let's look at the scorecard of KKR batting. Lot of things did not go well for KKR, and McCullum will take a note about this because Ajinkya Rahane is not performing well for KKR.
So
and going to be
is
very
Aaron
tough.
Finch available now? Because I
He
think
is available and he's
everybody
also
is
been
available.
practicing very
right?
well. So I
So I
think,
think they will bring in Aaron Finch. But who would they leave out?
that's the
oh yeah,
problem.
they already left out Team Southie. So how many foreigners they got?
They already
Sam
have
Billings,
4.
Andrew Russell, Narayan, and no,
Pat Cummins. They already
Pat
have 4.
Cummins.
They already have
Oh,
4,
then
and
they
if they
have to-
want to have Aaron Finch, then the only thing they can do is they can remove Sam Billings and Sheldon Jackson can come back because
No, they
that's the
got
only
3.
option.
They got 3. See,
No,
Pat
have
Cummins,
a-
Sam Billings, and Sunil Narayan.
So
Yeah.
Pat Cummins,
Yeah, Pat Cummins, Sunil Narayan, and Andrew Russell. Who else?
Sam Billings.
Sam Billings. Yeah. Oh, how do I forget him? So
Yeah, so
they
4
can
foreigners
get
are already
Sheldon.
playing for KKR.
So Sheldon Jackson can come in for Sam Billings moving forward if they want.
That's the only
And
way because they cannot drop Russell. They cannot drop Cummins after that inning. They cannot
No.
drop
Narayan.
Sunil. Never.
No.
It's not
No.
never
So
gonna happen.
Sam Billings need to go out, move out,
But
and
McCullum
Sheldon
will not
Jackson.
like the way. It's going to be very hard, isn't because Sam Billings is the kind of player McCullum likes, and he's performing.
And he has
very
done decent so far. Yes.
I would
so,
say
but if-
like this kind of a Raut Tripathi guy with the wicket keeping skills which he has,
So
and also he's
can
giving you
so
decent,
they can do one thing. They can move Sam Billings up the order with Venkatesh Iyer, and then get somebody like Rinku Singh, or even Sheldon Jackson if they want some batting down there.
yeah, that could be a choice.
Yep.
And you can expect this from McCullum because if he doesn't want to get rid of Billings because he likes him, but just because Aaron Finch is available and that kind of player. But also don't forget Aaron Finch is not in a good form.
I
Meaning
saw
that-
Pakistan. Yeah.
yeah, and,
I
he
saw
just played in
Pakistan not a good
Pakistan
form.
and he wasn't performing well, and I think
Yes.
that's such a big issue as well. So I'm not sure if Ajinkya Rahane is going to be replaced by Aaron Finch or not. But if he's getting replaced, then I think that Sam Billing has to left out um, because Aaron Finch has to come and Sheldon Jackson will come and keep the wickets. Keeping is not the issue.
Yeah,
to be
Sheldon
honest,
Jackson
but-
is a fine wicketkeeper, no problem.
Yes, it's not that issue. The problem with is Iyer, Rana, and so both the Ayers, including the captain and Rana, they are not performing well. And
See,
by include,
Shreyas will perform, and he performed against
Yes.
Delhi. We saw that. The problem is the consistency, because Venkatesh Iyer performed so well with that consistency last IPL, so he has got a lot of expectation on his back. Early meeting same IPL season is not easy. It may not happen, but because Ajinkya Rahane does not give you that confidence of the order.
right? And well, when you are chasing, so what was happening with KKR is the Umesh Yadav and other ballers like all the time Varun and Naren is giving you a good overs because of their bowling.
Yeah.
They were able to restrict opponent team below 130 or 140 or let's say 150 as well. And when you
Yes.
have 130 to 150 target in Mumbai pitches, or I would say Maharashtra pitches, Ajinkya Rahane is best person to go with because Ajinkya Rahane can give you that 130, 120 strike rate and give you that score
Yes.
and be a dependable batsman and take the game forward. So he was a guy who can do that. But let's say if you are chasing 170 and 180 at that time, at that time Ayer has to perform well. If not, then I think Rahane will have to go outside his comfort zone, and then he has to perform really well. And if he doesn't, then it came then it again come back to Russell, Nirana, and Sam Billings kind of they need to perform well. And I think this game we cannot say KKR performed really well because if you see the bowling apart from those spinners, nobody has performed really well. Yes, Umesh Yadav was very decent,
See,
4
yes.
over 25
See,
runs.
Umesh's role is to pick up early wickets up front, so that gives a lot of control to KKR early in the innings. Then see somebody like Rashid Dar can come and bowl a couple of overs without even getting noticed, right? So that gives Shreyas Iyer that comfort to use his fifth or sixth bowler. So his role is to pick up early wickets. So even if he
True.
goes for 10 runs, that's okay. If he pick up 2 wicket in early on in the power play and goes at 10 runs and over, it's okay, right? Because a lot of wickets early on, we have seen this in IPL. If you pick up early wickets, the opponents may not even come in the game, right?
Unless there's a Suryakumar Yadav and that kind of experience is there, they can
Yeah,
release
they
the pressure and they can put pressure
Surya
on the boundary.
is a class.
He's a
Surya is
class
a
player
class
right
player.
now.
Yes.
Definitely, he's a really good
Yeah.
touch. He has
Very
actually
good.
scored three triples, sorry, half centuries, right, in the last 3 games
He
or
played
2 games,
two.
whatever whatever.
He played 2 games. I think he got 2 half centuries in both the games and
Right away
a
after
lot
the
of yeah, just coming out of injury, right? So that's something
yeah. To be honest, I
to
really like
notice.
Mumbai's batting. It's the one of the best top six I would say
Yeah,
because of the
yes,
Tilak Verma and Brewis, the way they're playing so positive.
yeah.
Even though they lost Kishan and Rohit Sharma, the way Brewis was coming and hitting those balls.
And we all know what Rohit and Ishan both can do
Yeah,
when they are in on form, right? We saw in that last 2 games of last season of IPL against Rajasthan and Hyderabad. You see, they need to shake off that pressure of getting runs and whatever that pressure is of winning games. Rohit Sharma at this moment is thinking too much while batting because he's coming out with that pressure of losing 4 games in a row and being India captain. See,
right.
that pressure is different. Even though he's playing IPL and him being India captain, I think that is the difference in his captaincy this season and the him being India captain. Being India captain is not easy. There is always you are always on the radar. No matter where you play, what you play, even you play in your street, just with the kids, you are on the radar, right? So
There's always a
being India
camera.
captain, yeah, being India captain has got him, I think, in his captaincy, and that he's bringing in a lot of pressure and a lot of weight of that in his batting right now.
Right. And yeah, to be honest, I feel it's more of a pressure of losing the first 3 games and performing, getting
Yes.
their team on a track. Not because of the
Yes.
Indian captain, because I think that he hasn't performed since 2016. I would say he hasn't
In
had
IPLs, yes.
IPL.
In IPL, he have not
IPL.
had any IPL
Yes.
on fire.
And still he won like 2
see,
cups, right?
no, I understand, but not having IPLs on fire is fine. But the way he's batting, this time he does not look good and does not look in that touch and that rhythm of Rohit Sharma. It's see, when I saw him against Umesh Yadav the other day, like in this game, he was not even close to the ball sometimes, and even some balls hit on the stick across the bat. That is not a good sign. Even if you are not on form, like if you're not in a good touch, ball hitting on sticker for somebody like Rohit Sharma, that is worrying signs for Mumbai Indians. He might get his form back. He is a class player, but
He
Right
will
now,
win
it's
one or
you
two
looking
matches
for.
for Mumbai Indians going further,
I
because if he
hope it's the
performs,
next
Mumbai
game.
will win for sure.
Yes, I hope it's the next game. But
And
yeah,
we're not taking anything away from Umesh Yadav. He bowled amazingly well.
amazing, well, yeah.
Yeah. So yeah, that's wrap on our Mumbai and KKR match. And we'll see how Mumbai will perform in the next matches.